Hi, this is Jerry Deniston, and I wanted to just encourage you to please attend this digital marketing workbook webinar that I'm doing for the Maricopa SBDC tomorrow. The difference is that even if you register, if you don't also attend the webinar, you will not receive this workbook. I know that everybody's busy and we've got a lot on our plates. And so taking an hour to make it, I allocated an hour and a half, but that's only because I'm expecting questions. If we can get through it in an hour, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, whatever, then we'll make it as short as possible. If you can't make it and you're the business owner, send somebody in your place, have them register and attend on your behalf. I'm making this workbook available to everybody who attends the webinar. You'll get a PDF version of this workbook. It's 10 pages. It has instructions. We're going to go through every single page of this and how to fill it out. And the reason I'm encouraging you to really spend the time to do this is that this is a template you can use. I recommend you download it. You save it as a template, you'll get it as a PDF. If you need it as a Word document, we can make arrangements to send it to you as a Word document. But you will get this as a PDF, save it as a template, and then make a copy of it and give it a different name. And then use this for every plan that you're going to implement, for any project you want to do. Right now, it's a good time to use this for the next 3 months. If you have not done your holiday marketing planning, then this is a great tool to use so that you have a plan in place, right? You've got some goals set and you know who the audience is that you're going to be targeting and what kind of messaging to put. That's the reason for this workbook. Plan on using this for the next 3 months and then make another copy of the template and use it again in 2025 to start your full year marketing planning process. If you can't think ahead for 12 months, make it a 6-month plan. And if it's for a specific new product launch that you're going to do, then use it specifically for the product launch. Keep in mind that every single person that you market to for a specific product is going to probably be different from other people that you might market to for another type of product. Just because you offer them on your website doesn't mean it's the same person that's choosing product A versus product B. And the messaging needs to be different for each one of those. Otherwise, you're just doing, what I call spaghetti marketing. You're throwing something on the wall and hoping it's going to stick. So please send somebody to attend your webinar if you can't make it yourself so that you get a copy of the workbook and then you can use it ongoing. You can print as many copies as you need to. You just can't modify it. And if you need a Word version, then we'll talk about how you can access that after or during the webinar. Okay? I look forward to seeing you. I hope that you do register and you are there. And I look forward to a really good interactive webinar tomorrow. Thanks.